Hey guys, Kevin Shaw here, Editor-in-Chief of the Watercraft Journal. We're going to do something short and quick here, which we haven't actually done before, and we're going to do a live unboxing. We got some cool new stuff from a new sponsor of ours, and before we install them on the trailer, we wanted to check out our new straps. Yes, we're going to be showing you our new tie-down straps. All right. Now, the company that reached out to us is called Strapinno. And, oh, God, these are heavy. All right, here we go. Strapinno. We had 2 sets of them because we have a double bunk trailer. I'm going to need a knife. Let me get a knife. Okay. Yeah, these are... Oh. Okay, yeah. Great. Okay. Okay. Very cool. All right. What I really liked about these straps was, first, they're hard, you hard mount them right to the frame. Oh, look at that. They have a really neat rubberized release. The release, if you can look right in there. Let's see if I can open this up. There you go. This is very nice. Looks like it's all stainless. Yeah, these are really nice. Like, a lot nicer than I was expecting. But, yeah, what you do... Oh, I think they have... Oh, yeah, here's all the mounting hardware. Yeah. You got all your mounting hardware. So that what you can do... Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's almost like a carabiner. Well, I'm pretty excited for these. Especially because that means I can mount these on the trailer. Oh, duh. You literally push down the release. So that gives you quite a bit of slack. Okay, you got quite a bit of slack here. Because I've got my thumb trapped in it like an idiot. Woo! Alright, this thing really does. This thing snaps back good. This is great, guys. These are going to be really, really trick. Yeah, these are going to be a really good addition to our Magic Tilt trailer that we got from our friends at Broward Motorsports in Tequesta. Alright, well, these will definitely go on our trailer, and you're going to see them for sure in a later review. So definitely check them out at Strapinno. We'll put up the link here in the video, and look out for the review on the Watercraft Journal. Thanks again, guys. We'll talk to you soon.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.